What are you two doing here today?
We're here to bird.
Yeah, we watched Terry and Taylor Bird IY, and since then we just fell in love with the birds.
Life's changed. We've been birding ever since.
Yeah.
It's been wonderful.
Wow, that's amazing. I'm so glad you guys found that show on YouTube.
Yeah.
Now we're taking birds very seriously.
Yeah, seriously.
I can see
It's
this.
not a joke.
Bird is
not
my
a
life.
joke. Hi, name's Rushada. I've been doing this for a lot of years, almost 20 years. And yeah, birdless Southern Africa 570, which this one obviously doesn't have because he's a beginner. So
Name's Zach Savage. They call me the Savage because my birding is relentless. I've been birding for 38 years and I'm taking it very, very seriously. See this ring here? Don't have time for women. This ring is my marriage to the birds. My opponent over here thinks she's a big shot because she's been birding in all 27 provinces of South Africa.
Zach, I don't think it's 27 provinces.
it's more.
28 provinces of South Africa. She thinks she's the better birder.
I am the better birder.
Well, I got news for you, kid. I'm about to show you what. There's a gymnogene.
Actually, an African harrier. Son, yellow normal.
What number is that?
Number
38,
38. Yeah.
27.
What do you know about southern yellow-billed hornbills?
So the genus name, Tocus, actually alludes to the call they make. So it's an onomatopoeic genus name. Now, you know what call they make?
Yeah, they go like tok 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 tok. Yes, that's the southern red-lipped hornbill. Do you know where the best place is to see a grey go-away bird? Top of the trees, early in the morning. It's where they warm up.
It's a lurry. It's called a grey lurry.
Listen, it's not.
Why? 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 Why?
Yeah, so I saw African pygmy goose actually. Yeah, Makuleki once. So
Nice.
Yeah.
So black-collared barbets.
A
many
black-collared
times.
barbet, bro.
Yeah.
You hear those?
Black-headed orioles everywhere. Saw them mating.
Can you tell me about a bird that's actually rare? I see those birds for breakfast.
Cuckoo
my bro.
hawks,
No.
padded harriers.
Is it
Seen
now?
all of them, yeah.
Have you seen all the cuckoos?
Yes.
Yeah, you're a bit cuckoo yourself, actually. So we're going to keep birding, we're going to keep listening and looking all around camp during this lockdown period to see who comes out victorious in this competition. Let us know in the comments who you think's going to win this competition, me or Rushada over here.
What's her name? One more time?
Rushada? I don't know. River Shada?
May the best bird win. Psych!
If you enjoyed today's video, please have a look at our channel and subscribe. It'll definitely keep you entertained during this lockdown period.